Hello everyone, how are you all? So today I brought you a new recipe, that is going to be very delicious and very easy. If you don't have time to cook, it's a very simple and elegant and delicious. You have to try this out. It's very simple. Okay, I can call it this one as a cucumber bowl or salad or anything like snack. You can have it like a snack also, like evening time. If there is a something you want to crunch or something, that you can make this one because cucumber gives you a crunchy texture, so that will fulfill your satisfaction. So without making any delay, let's do it. So first we have to grind some ingredients. For this I have taken here fresh coconut ghee. It's a quarter cup of coconut ghee, and add some salt according to your taste. And one chili I'm adding. If you want some more, like two chilies you can add, and or three strings of cilantro, coriander leaves. So just grind this. We have to add one more ingredient, but we will grind this first. See, after grinding, it has not become smooth paste. We have to add water also. So I am adding here roasted ram dal. So we will add that 1 tablespoon. I have added. So then add water. Water is like how much you want. You can add according to your thickness. Yeah, how much you like, that much. So you have to grind this into smooth paste. See, now it has become smooth paste, right? Can you see it? So we will transfer this to a bowl, serving bowl. Transfer that, and it's perfect. This taste, no, along with the cucumber, it gives you a different taste. You had to try this out. So I tried it like new, like for me it is a new invention only. So I just tried it and it was so delicious, and why not I share with you all. So try this one in your home. Whenever you feel like hungry, you can just make this one and have it, right, without any guilt. So now it is a thick paste, right? I prefer to add water. So you can even put that water in a mixer jar, and that you can remove all the thing to a bowl. So add this much of water. I approximately like quarter to half cup I have added. I didn't see the measurement, but see the consistency here. You can add some more also. See the taste when you eat. If you feel like adding some more, you can add it. So when it is thick, it gives you some other taste. When it is thin, it gives a other taste. So now we have to add cucumber to this. So cucumber, you can make it like a small pieces. Bigger pieces won't be nice that much, so make it a small one. So you can chop this into small pieces and just add that to a gravy kind of thing. We made chutney thing, right? So you can call it as a dressing also. Anything like you give the name for this dish, okay? And see, this is perfect. Now you can mix it, and later on you can add some more on top of that. So now it's done, right? Very simple ingredients I have used, right? And it's very delicious. And only thing is, like, if you want to add on top of that little lemon, you can just squeeze some 2 3 drops of lemon, like however you feel, how much you want. So only for to enhance the taste, that's it. Otherwise I will eat like that only without lemon. And you can decorate also with anything. I thought of adding here raisins, cilantro. Yeah, that's it. We can decorate with that, and it's ready. It's very delicious and easy to make, right? See this so beautiful bowl, right? Wow, super. And it's crunchy also. That cucumber gives that crunchy thing, and this combination of everything is super, super. See how beautiful it is. So it's ready. Now it's presentation time. See how it is. Did you like this presentation? So I will just arrange whatever I will get in my home. So it's beautiful, right? I love this bowl. I love it. And it's very, 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 very tasty. Wow, awesome, right? Super. How it was? It was very easy, right? So within a time you can make this, right? And if you feel like having crunchy something in a evening time, you can make this. Even for dinner also you can make. Even for breakfast also, like it will go for everything. Like you can have it any whenever you want, right? So see, I am ready with this bowl and looks very pretty, right? Very delicious. So I have added water, right? How much water you want, you can add it. For me, this consistency looks fine, looks good. If you want, you can make it thicker also, or some more thinner. And ready to go. Let me see how it is. Mm, mm. It's very delicious. You know that freshness it gives, the cucumber gives the freshness. I love cucumber. It's very delicious. Mm, mm. Thank you, God. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God has given me the idea of making this, and it's very delicious. Thank you, universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I can have this full bowl. Yes, it's very delicious. Mm. Everything is perfect. Nothing, no, not required to add anything actually for me. Enough. This is enough. That raisin also gives little different taste. Mm. Mm. Awesome, awesome. You try this one, okay? Try this and let me know in the comment how it turned out. I will finish this bowl. Very nice. Wow. Mm. Wow. I will finish this bowl. So you go and now you can make this one, and you can serve this to your friends also, family members. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Namaste.